ओम श्री सरस्वतये नमः। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। क्रिएशन ऑफ कोरोना या COVID-19 causes great disturbance in studies for the student of Odisha, even in India. It's not only a loss of studies but a great loss for the students of our state, country, which cannot be recouped in future. For the parents also, COVID-19 create a great disturbance. Parents are thinking what will be the future of their children, have seen the shining future of their son and daughters. But we have to carefully remember it that if health is lost, everything is lost. To save the life of the citizens of India, government takes such a difficult step such as lockdown boundary. There was no any option except the lockdown, social distance near the government. For which by this COVID-19 is under control in India. COVID-19 takes thousands of valuable life in India, and there are near about 2 lakhs people have suffering from COVID-19. This is not a small incident for India, but a crucial moment for India, for which government is taking different type of steps to control COVID-19. Dear students, you have to remember it, not only the scientists of India but also the scientists of world is still not eligible to discover the vaccine of COVID-19. The students are the bright future of India. Everyone have to be seriously about their own studies, for which they will be able to a good doctor, a good scientist, a good pilot, or a good economist, or any others. So have to study for the future and to imagine the emergency requirement of the people of India and the country. COVID-19 is not only a disturbance for the student but a great loss for every person of India and the country. Do you know, due to COVID-19, the economical condition of India fell down to the bottom point. It is confirmed that India has gone about 20 years back. How the government will recover it? That is a great question mark for every citizen of India. But there is nothing to be worried. There are so many economic in India Finance Minister Sitharaman has announced a special package of near about 50,000 for the mines of coal sector in India. The mining source of coal, bauxite, gold and others will stand the economical situation high very soon. There is was Ratnagarbha. Actually, the earth of India is Ratnagarbha. So many costly stones such as minerals are found in our earth. India, thanks to everyone, we are safe, staying in our house and obeying the guidelines relating COVID-19 by the government of Odisha and the government of India. I want to tell to the government of Odisha and government of India to recoup the economical condition of India or Odisha, adding extra taxes in petrol, diesel and gas. Is not only a system. There are so many resources to recoup the economical situations. Have to discuss with each other how it can be solved. Repeatedly, I request government by adding the extra taxes on petrol, diesel and gas. It's a great burden of it's a great extra burden for the every citizens of India. So I request the government to look at the actual matter of every citizens of India. Odisha government will add another added tax on petrol, diesel and gas, and the central government will add another tax on petrol, diesel and gas. I feel shame to speak the same matter repeatedly near the state government. central government. So they have to look it for which the people of India will be relaxed in rate rise in diesel, petrol and gas. Thank you. भारत माता की जय.